Oh boy. Alright, well. It's impossible to record and do this. No power steering sucks, alright? I don't know. Whoever says no power steering is a good thing. Power steering. God. So, you might be wondering, do I know what I'm doing? No. I'm actually gonna reverse the car. So, I'm gonna put the back toward here because I'm working on the spoiler and it's cold. Alright, some friends have seen this already, some friends haven't. But this is not a Mugen spoiler, there's no such thing. It's not a spoon spoiler. This is a replica Osaka JDM double wing spoiler. Look how freaking fat it is. Wait. Yeah. This thing is so fat. Wait, let me lower this a little bit. Dude, look how fat this is. This is like, whew. And just in relation, it's gonna stick out like an extra like 6-ish inches from the body, I think. It's pretty fat. Honestly, a little too fat since I got the car. The Mugen side skirts and like Brandy's wheels have been around for a long time. I just like procrastinated and stuff. So I'm gonna unbolt these. I have those on to unbolt, but also this one comes with its own like hardware. So I don't know. We'll have to see. Alright, so what we're gonna do is unbolt these bad boys. It should be pretty quick. It just takes out. I think it's just, I wanna say it's a 10 mil, I think. Let's just take a quick look, and yeah, look hella weird on this freaking sweater. You got one, you got two. Look at the difference. It's just like, one is twice as, my car. The Devil Wing one is twice as wide as the OG one, so gotta really feel this one out. But third brake light I'll think about in the future video, but I think for this one right now I'm just gonna install it, and when I really feel like I want to install the third brake light, I'll do it. Yeah, let's get this done. Okay, let's come to a conclusion. I'm gonna shave down this part just a little bit so it fits a little better. And if you look right here, it kind of bothers me how it's a little too sloped right here. So I'm gonna try to shave down here, this area too. And same with right here. Take this and just shave off a little bit. Just a little bit. Alright, so letting all this dry out. I had to use my hand. I didn't have the Bondo scraper thingy. So while I wait for that to dry, I'm gonna actually relocate this light. I don't know why they put it here. I'm gonna put it here because this is where cruise control would be, and I don't think I'm gonna be putting cruise control in this car ever. So light's gonna go here. I got a new light. Instead of being blue, I wanted it to be red because red is, you know, red. So we'll do that. This is super easy to take out. You just, I think you just stick a screwdriver in here and just. Bam. Oh, yeah, that was hella easy. So just to show completion, this is like 3 days later, and I got the washer. I basically just glued a washer here, glued this in, and it's coming out the back of this piece. And all we're gonna do is take this end, stick it in, all nice, and just inserted it back in. There. Will I know if it works? I should have spread this a little better. I missed a couple spots here and there. Like right here. Gotta reapply just a little more, and then I'll wait for it to dry, head back to it. So while I'm doing all that, I'm going to actually install LED lights, because let me just turn the car light on real quick. I don't know if you can see it in the light, but these lights, these turn on, these turn on. This is a regular halogen bulb. This is also a regular halogen bulb. This is also white. I want it to be amber. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna replace it with LED bulbs. So let's do that. Corner light. And if I recall, it needs a white light. There we go. And this is the old bulb. This is the new turn signal. What is that? Bam. Super easy. This bulb right here. And there we go. Oh. But I have to, oh wait, I forgot to install. Okay. So, one of the big things I forgot is that if you install a LED light onto a halogen harness, you need a resistor. That is why I bought this. So I'm installing it here, and yeah. Just tap it in and it should be all good to go. I have the resistors. They get too hot. So I am actually gonna hold back on putting these in the car. I'm gonna let it just flicker a lot because I'm lazy. Some damn reason I took forever on these. Is this good? This is good. Yee! Alright. Time to sand all this down and see how it looks like. Well, looks like installing the Osaka JDM spoiler is a lot more work than I thought. More fitting, more Bondo, more sanding. I don't want to do right now, so let's keep it at that. I want to do something fun though, because, you know, recently my friend Lawrence sold his car, and well, this is his Shiftknob, so it's kind of like it's moving on. But I like anime. This is the 4-star Dragon Ball. I'm pretty sure a lot of people have this, but I gotta replace this old Shiftknob. One of the biggest things and biggest issues is that the thread pitch for a Subaru, I think, is a little bigger than it is for a Honda. So it kind of just falls. But that's why I got this. This is a basically just a thread on a thread, so it'll let me basically adapt this over to the smaller thread. There we go. Here is the nut. I'm gonna be smart about this. I'm gonna first take this and screw it onto here, just to make sure I don't get stuck on the ball. 4-star Dragon Ball. Ooh boy. Ooh! Look at that! Ooh my god. Oh! I have 2 more things to install, because why not? Just take a look at this little mirror right here. Ooh. A Broadway mirror. I don't know. I was doing everything possible, and I think you just like clip it on, or if I recall. There we go. Let's just I think that's a good end of the video. Let's end the video here. It's a slightly successful one. I have new wheels, spoiler, and lights, and mirror, and shift knob. That's 5 things in a video that I did not think I would end up doing, so stay safe. Don't touch people, don't cough on people. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe. See you next time. Bye! So I don't know what's gonna be next, but it should be the Japan vlog. I don't know if I'm doing a long video or a short video, but that'll be next. So look forward to that. Either it'll be end of this week or into next week. Not too sure. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!